naging presidente ka pa ng Malacanang Press Corps.
Yeah,
For how many?
1 year lang.
1 year ka
One term
naging
lang.
presidente, no? Meron ka bang ano yung mga challenges na hinarap at naayos during your time? Hindi ba maharap?
I'd like to think kasi na dapat kasi ang Malacanang Press Corps supposedly fair, di ba?
Yeah.
Fair naman talaga kami,
Yes.
at least during our time.
Yeah.
But then, meron kasing perceived na pro Duterte and kami on the side na adversarial. Parang adversarial.
Neutral.
Hindi. We try to be neutral but the administration thinks with our adversarial.
Because
Because we don't always abide kung anong sinabi. Hindi naman kami sinabing, wag niyo isulat yan, wag niyo ano yan. You don't put the president in bad light. Nagmura siya. Wag niyo isulat, nagmura siya. Paano mo siya hindi susulat on the record, nakamura siya, di ba? Tapos may mga times kasi we cannot change their minds ng mga pro Duterte, perceived to be pro Duterte or loyal, na hindi siguro sila nagtitiwala sa journalists trying to be neutral. Kasi gusto nila na hawak nila yung narrative. I think. Ganon.
so yun yung parang nahirapan ka or what?
Hindi, these are challenges. So as officers of the press corps, tinatry namin yung to reach out to the Secretary of the Presidential Communications Office, your former boss, Secretary Andanar, di ba? To try to, sir, bakit naman ganito? Sana next time, ganito. Tinatry naman namin yun. And kami naman, nung batch of officers nun, nagtatry kami mag-reach out. At least, yung gusto ng majority of the press, members of the MPC, nire-relay namin. Kung hindi naman na-actionan, at least na-relay namin. Kung may mga times na na-actionan, adi mabuti.
So for you, it's hindi naman ganun kahirap o hindi naman naging sakit ng ulo para sa'yo yung pagbabalanse ng coordination mo with the presidential communications while also protecting the journalistic integrity of MPC.
It was always a challenge kasi nga parang ang akin, I like to believe nasa adversarial kami.
You.
Kami.
Or your
Kaming at least yung team
officers.
ng MPC, majority lang.
Okay.
Kasi merong greater majority who are
Obviously leaning.
who were leaning.
Oh.
Because one time or another, they cover the president.
Or maybe they're just friendly.
Or they were just friendly, I don't know.
Oo.
Baka ganun, no? Kasi baka bago ko sa Malacanang. Di ba? Hindi ko rin
So,
naman alam.
ikaw, as an MPC president, how do
As
you...
an MPC president, dahil presidente ko, may accountability in everything. Ang feeling ko, ang dala ko, yung buong MPC. Yung, anong tawag dyan? Yung para sa MPC. Kung ako lang on my own,
Yes.
I would have done more, would have acted mas brave, mas matapang. Pero iwiwi mo may kasama kang ibang mga miyembro eh. Hindi lahat ng type na yung gusto mong yung parang imimit mo halfway. O sige, para sa kabubuti ng lahat.
So
Pero iandun pa rin yung integrity. Hindi mo ibebenta yung sarili.
So consultative ka rin.
Consultative
You have
ako.
to consult
Oo.
everyone's
Majority.
opinion.
Pero kasi yan
But how do
parang,
you deal with those, sabi mo nga, mga leaning or friendly to admin?
pabayaan mo na lang sila kung hindi naman may sarili naman silang mundo eh. At the end of the day, I was MPC president but I am reporter of the Philippine Star. So mas mangingibabaw sa akin na reporter ako ng Philippine Star that time. Pero as president of the MPC, iwiway ko nga rin yung mga para sa membro.